Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? So today, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po magbayad ng SSS online. So, let's start! Okay, so you need to log into your SSS mobile app. Okay, then punta po tayo sa generate PRN/SOA. So, click nyo po yan. So, just click generate. So, dito po, we need to fill up this form. Sa taas, we need to fill up kung ano po yung membership type. Okay, then, applicable period from month and year. Okay, then monthly contribution, kung magkano po yung gusto nyo. Okay, then it will show yung total amount. So, for example, January 2021 till, let's say, December 2021. Okay. Then, monthly contribution, let's say 960. So, that's 960 per month for 12 months. So, it's equivalent to 11,520 pesos. Then, we just have to click submit. Okay, so, upon pressing submit, magkakaroon po ng summary of our payment. So, we have to review it and click OK. After that, lalabas po ito. So, ito po yung parang summary ng ating transaction. Then, balik lang po tayo sa generate PRN/SOA. Click po natin yon. Then, ito po yung lalabas. Then, may makikita po kayo na link dyan na pay. So, yung blue. So, you have to click that. Okay, so you have two choices. You can pay with PayMaya account or credit card/debit card. So, wala po akong PayMaya. So, we will choose credit card. So, ayan po yung details. Makikita nyo po dyan yung total monthly contribution and convenience fee, which is 201.60. So, ang total po is 11,721.60. Then, click OK. So, para makasigurado na matagumpay ang inyong pagbayad, mag-antay ng 10 segundo pagkakita ng PayMaya success. Okay, continue natin. So, we need to fill up this form. We need to put our first name, last name, card number, expiry date, and CVV. And you can put your email address po para ma-send nila yung receipt of transaction. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.